In this video, we will learn how to add drop-down list in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have some data of product name and sales, and I'm remark here yes or no option. Yes for the sales is completed and no for sales is not yet completed. So here create the drop-down list with the yes or no option. So I just first select the cell, then click on the data option, click on the data validation, click on the add rule, select the range. I already here select the range C2 to C24 as have as I have a data as per this range selected already. Okay, just click on OK. Criteria drop down. Option 1, first select the color. I just select the green for yes option and select the red for no option. Okay, then click on the done. That's it. You can now see in drop down list the yes and no option show. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.